Welcome to the Phoenix Hunter channel. Today is the 6th of May 2023. In this video, we'll summarize the market actions and our journey. And overall, the market is down in a weekly candle, but market has given very good signals like rallying on Apple stocks and strong job reports and the Fed positive response, right? These are all you know, making interesting action in US markets. Especially we got a bullish island pattern here. Means bullish island pattern is very significant in technical analysis. Means the last day is a gap down and the next day is gap up. Okay, so this is very crucial in the markets. So I thought next week also the market goes up uh, to hit this channel and maybe it may fill these gaps. Okay, so for the I'm expecting, yes, as an analyst, we can analyze the chart in different ways, but my main hypothesis, my positive, I'm giving more weightage in these scenarios. So it may hit this channel and there is a possibility to fill the gap, and overall this journey may take almost 1 week of time, and let us see. But if you see very interesting patterns in these gaps and the this bullish island patterns, if you observe actually here, uh, actually this kind of island patterns are very significant in the technical analysis. If you see here, um, take this example here, that last day it gap up and the next day is gap down, and what is the result? So the market came down. Okay, the similarly, okay, today what happened is, means on Friday, okay, I explained here, right, that is a very bullish pattern actually. Okay, so I'm expecting for the short period market goes up. Okay, but if you see a very interesting pattern in this chart, see, these charts is very thrilling script is there in this market. If you see, this gap has filled and market went up. Okay, and this gap filled and the market went up, right? And now one more gap came here. As long as market doesn't fill this gap, market goes up only. Okay, whenever the market, I'm just removing this channel critical, this one I'm just keeping right now here. Okay, so as long as the market doesn't fill this gap, right, so market goes up for the time being. And whenever the market comes down here, and yes, then I thought markets will go down in a long way. Okay, so this is my overall analysis in S&P 500. And actually I this pattern got disappointed for me, the because I thought the market comes to fill this gap and it may go up. Okay, but market doesn't care with my analysis and all those, right? We have to follow the markets. Okay, very good. And next we will discuss the second point. So finally, yes, as I discussed, the weekly wise, the S&P is down, but my portfolio should be green. But unfortunately, my portfolio also be down, and 2% decline in overall my portfolio. But yes, it's a disappointed just because of this huge plunge in the UNG. This is in the weekly stock, weekly chart. It's a huge decline. Okay, I will explain this in the next video. Okay, so come to this point, and I did only one trade in this whole week on the FMC meeting. That time, actually, UVIX, I was 15% positive, but I put a stop loss, and automatically it will hit on that day because of that FMC, right? Huge volatility. So I closed that position with just on almost a break even and with just minimal significant, no significant actually. I closed on the break even, and the remaining positions are still open. So next week I'm expecting the green, right? So maybe my portfolio maybe red. That is my expectation. So I will go with some hedges, but generally I don't do any option trading, but I will see short-term options, but I not yet decided. And come to the model, what my model is saying. We know that in last week we got a clear divergence. I thought the market goes down, but due to this weak, interesting, positive signs, the market is going up. So I thought actually the market, if you take this picture, still what my thought here is the divergence may continue for the next week also, something like this. So S&P may go up like this, it may hit this channel, but uh, my divergence will continue. So this is my expectation. Since I don't get any bullish divergence, I'm stick with my short positions. And the only the my see, I know the capacity of this model, but why I am getting mm, the portfolio in red, right? And even in the last week also I hit this. Of course, this is the overall one, right? So, but last week also I got red, and this week also I got red. Unfortunately, the problem here is even in my model, there is a problem actually. Okay, even though I'm confident on my model, right? So the problem here is, if you see, there is a different ratios, percentages, popular percentages in the market and real life, like 60-40 portfolio, right? 60% stocks and 40% bonds or something, and 80-20, right? Your 20% actions will dictate your 80% results, something like that. In my portfolio also, there is a 90-10 problem. Okay, so means 90% I'm very much confident that my model will find the tons, market tons. But unfortunately, what happens in this April month, beginning of the April month, is this market is going up, but my it's given a slight divergence. So I thought this is the right place to start my short positions and all those. But unfortunately, the market is going up, right? But finally, I got the divergence, a very clear divergence. But the problem here is, in these, I didn't get any divergence in this position. Maybe I didn't understand the model, or somehow the model didn't given the divergence, right? Even the market is going up. So I stick with my short positions. That is the reason right now I'm in a negative. Otherwise, my model will always give only two signals. One is green and yellow. There is no red in my portfolio. It should not be. Of course, the weekly basis that is fine, but overall I should be in always in green or yellow. No more red, as long as I'm following the model. Okay. So next week it may go up, we don't know, but it's a very interesting thing is, as long as the market doesn't close this gap, and it should come down. Okay, till that market will, may close all these gaps and all those. Let us see. We'll connect in the next video.